Digital fluency. UG first semester NEP degree examination March 2023. Total number of questions 30 marks. Time 90 minutes. Maximum marks 30 questions. First question. Digital fluency includes overview of emerging technologies like A. Artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, cyber security, all the above. Artificial intelligence is the answer. Technology that helps machines and computers mimic human behavior is artificial intelligence, B. cyber security, C. Internet of Things, data science. Answer artificial intelligence. Expand ML. So A. machine learning, C. more learning, D. modern learning. Answer machine learning. Examples of AI chatbots are is A. Alexa, B. Siri, C. both A and B, D. none of these. Answer is both A and B. Fifth one. Applications of AI are is A. smartphone face lock, B. email spam detection, C. chatbox, D. all the above. Answer is all the above. Deep learning is a subset of A. machine learning, B. digital marketing, C. stock trading, D. none of the above. Answer is machine learning. Seventh one. Type of machine learning method is are A. supervised, B. unsupervised, C. semi-supervised, D. all the above. Answer is all the above. D. all the above. Eighth one. What is IoT? A. internal out task, B. Internet of Things, C. Internet of Tables, D. internal of things. Answer is Internet of Things. Ninth one. The process of analyzing large amount of data is known as A. large data analytics, B. huge data analytics, C. big data analytics, D. none of the above. Answer is C. big data analytics. 10th one. Flow of data analytics process is A. data, info, insight, analyze, B. analyze, info, insight, data, C. data, insight, analyze, info, D. none of the above. Answer is A. data, information, insight, analysis. 11th one. Examples of smart devices. A. smartphone, B. self-driving cars, C. smartwatch, D. all the above. Answer is all the above. 12th one. Which of the following is not the advantages of database? A. security of data, B. easy to update data, C. future prediction, D. manage large amount of data. Answer is security of data. A. Answer is security of data. 13th one. What is the full form of DBMS? A. database management system, B. database model system, C. database maintenance system, D. none of the above. Answer is database management system. 14th one. Which of the following is an open source RDBMS with client server model? A. Oracle, B. MS Access, C. MySQL, D. none of the above. Answer is C. MySQL. 15th one. How many stages are there in IoT architecture? A. 1, B. 2, C. 3, D. 4. Answer is D. 4. 16th one. IoT devices are at risk to A. security threats, B. climate threats, C. heterogeneity threats, D. none of the above. Answer is A. security threats. 17th one. What is IIoT? A. industrial IoT, international IoT, C. insect IoT, D. none of the above. So answer is A. industrial IoT. 18th one. Technology that uses remote servers on the internet to store, manage and access data online rather than local device is A. store computing, B. B. Cloud computing. C. Managed computing. D. Quantum computing. Answer is B. Cloud computing. 19th one. In cloud computing, the term cloud refers to A. Frozen crystal. B. Visible mass water droplets. C. A network or internet. D. None of the above. Answer is D. None of the above. 20th. Types of cloud in cloud computing. A. Public cloud. B. Hybrid cloud. C. Community cloud. D. All the above. Answer is B. Hybrid cloud. 21. A combination of public cloud and private cloud is A. Community cloud. B. Hybrid cloud. C. Joint cloud. D. Contact cloud. Answer A is community cloud. Private cloud is also known as A. Internal cloud. B. Corporate cloud. Both A and B. C. D. None of the above. Answer is B. Cloud computing. Answer is B. Corporate cloud. 23rd. The application includes technologies, process and control to the protect systems, network, softwares, devices and data from cyber attack is A. Cyber security. B. Networking. C. Controlling. D. Programming. Answer is A. Cyber security. 24th. Which of the following is not an application security? A. Antivirus program. B. Firewalls. C. Encryption programs. D. Main gates. Answer is D. Main gates. 25th. Common type of cyber attacks. A. Malware. B. Phishing. C. Password attack. D. All the above. Answer is D. All the above. 26. To avoid cyber attacks, A. Regularly change password. B. Install and use antivirus. C. Both and A and B. D. None of the above. Answer is C. Both A and B. 27. What is MongoDB? A. Cloud. B. Big data analytics tool. C. Plant. D. Fruit. Answer is A. Cloud. 28. AI enabled mapping and traffic prediction can be done with A. Google Pay. B. Google Calendar. C. Google Map. D. Google Doc. Answer is C. Google Map. 29th. In machine learning, target is called A. Target. B. Label. C. Machine. D. Learning. Answer is A. Target. 30. The full form of SEG is A. Secure email gateway. B. Stock entry goods. C. Single entry gateway. D. None of the above. Answer is A. Secure email gateway. This is all about the UGC first semester NEP degree examination March 2023.